Okay, so I'm making multiple things. I'm making multiple things for this person because gift giving is my love language. I fucking got snacks too. Like, I got all the fucking, I think this is all of them, all the fucking Hello Panda flavors. So I got the chocolate, strawberry, and green tea, well, matcha. And then I got him this, like, weird Detective Conan soda. I have no idea what flavor it is. I fucking can't read it because it's so much kanji. And I could only read, like, hiragana and katakana. And then I got these fucking chocolate covered almonds because they're so fucking good. They're addicting. And this melon soda that I fucking love. Hopefully he likes it too, but he likes to try like weird drinks and stuff like that, so that's why I got all this stuff. Oh, and I got fucking sake too. Some strawberry sake. I haven't opened it or anything. Like, I've been resisting the temptation to just like eat all of this. So I'm gonna rip off his brand and I'm gonna make something. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna make yet, but we're gonna do it. When did I become such a simp? Before it was like, fuck these guys, back to the streets, la da 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 da, and then now I'm just like, I'm sprung, got me doing things I never do, and I'm telling you, yeah, I'm here right now. I saw this video on TikTok of someone using like faux fur and they like sewed it in the shirt, and then they literally, after they sewed it, they cut off the excess shirt and then it revealed the faux fur and it was like in the shape of what they sewed it. But I can't find that fucking TikTok anymore. It was in my likes and stuff, but then I don't know what happened to it. Like, it just disappeared. I don't know if like the person deleted it, but I just couldn't find it. I literally looked for like 15 minutes. I don't know. I'm gonna have to draw it on backwards though on the fabric and like figure it out. But yeah, damn, that's a fart. I'm ripping it off and I don't care. It's gonna come out better than theirs, just saying. So it took me literally 30 minutes to write this backwards. Really? We're gonna be sewing it on backwards, that's why. So then when we like, excuse me, so when we like cut out the t-shirt, we're gonna have it the right side up. And it took me so long because I was literally measuring out like each fucking letter because I really wanted it to like really come out to 10 inches, and I wanted it to like be exactly like his logo and stuff like that. Like, I literally just want to rip it off. I was really relying on that TikTok to remind me what the hell to do, but now I have to actually think with my brain, so hopefully it comes out and I just didn't waste like 30 minutes drawing this shit. Ugh, my knees hurt so bad. Not even for a good reason either. Not even a justifiable. Actually, no, this is justifiable reason because I really want it to come out good. Hey, I took a little break, but I finished tracing it out. Okay, so I just finished sewing this on. I like how it looks so far. It was really hard to do. It was kind of hard to see like the Sharpie marks and stuff, but I feel like I did it pretty straight. Yeah, it came out pretty clean. I just noticed that it's crooked. It's like a little to the left. So fuck. I knew it. I even told myself, I was like, I should move it a little bit more. And then I was like, nah, it should be fine. Okay, now both pieces are sewn on. Thing went pretty freaking smoothly. Now all we have to do is cut it out. And this is like the part I'm nervous for. Fingers crossed. Dante, fingers crossed. He's like, shut the fuck up. Ignore my clothes. I've been in my pajamas all day. I literally don't change unless like I go outside, but even today I went outside in my pajamas, so I really don't care. I literally only cut out the B and it already looks so good. Oh my god, I love it. I was gonna use this fabric to like make a dress or a skirt or your top or something, but oh well, I guess. This is how the shirt looks. It looks so good. I love how like the fabric looks and everything. It just looks so good. Wish I would have made it straight, but oh well. Maybe he like leans to the left and you know, you won't be able to tell. I'm making another shirt. You know, y'all, if y'all watched my airbrush video, I don't know if you did because that video didn't really do that good as I hoped it would. But we are going to airbrush another shirt. I found this really cool picture on oh my god, I can't stop saying I'm gonna have to cut all this shit out. I found this really cool picture on Google, and it's this like anime mask, and it's like broken, and there's like a piece of the face showing. So I want to do that. And so we're gonna do the drawing first, and then if it's bad, then I guess we scrap that idea. Hopefully I don't pass out from the fumes, because my airbrush, it needs to be plugged in, and literally outside we have an extension cord, but it doesn't reach. Like my airbrush plug is just way too short, and I know it won't reach where I want to, so I'm gonna have to airbrush in my room. I'm probably gonna have to practice again because literally the last time I airbrushed was that video. I literally only used it one time. I was like, yeah, I want to learn how to airbrush. I fucking, you know, gave up because, you know, depression and shit, and I was just feeling so unmotivated and stuff like that. You would know my struggles if you watched my Reiki video. I'm just like plugging on my videos. I'm like, watch this one too. Da, da, da. Oh yeah, I forgot I was gonna record like and do like a little time lapse or whatever. This is what I got so far. Wow, it didn't take me that long. It took me, I'm gonna guess that it took me around like an hour to do this, which I think is faster than the last airbrushing video I did. But yeah, look at it. That's where I messed up on the nose. I put it up on accident when I was supposed to put it down like that. Yeah, it's not perfect. It kind of looks like a heart. I don't know. I kind of liked it better when it was just like this, but then it looked kind of weird. I think it looks okay. It's okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you should probably wear a mask. All late, I'm like already done. My dumbass forgot, so, I probably lost a few brain cells, but that's fine. Oops, I forgot to record, record me doing the letters. Okay, so I think I'm finally done with this shirt. This is how it came out. Yeah, very crooked, but you know, it's fine. I used Sharpie to like give it more detail and stuff, and I like how it looks. It's barely 5 o'clock and I'm already tired. I don't know if it's like the paint fumes or I'm just tired because I woke up early like the past 2 days. But yeah, I'm done with this. I'm over it. Over it. Fuck it, we all died. Doesn't really matter. Damn, why I always think like that? Anyways, yeah, we're done with the shirt. Hope he likes it. He's gonna be like, yeah, what the fuck, who am I? We ain't simping no more. Gotta stop. Need to cut this out before I get my feelings hurt.
It's Valentine's Day, and I'm in my feelings because I didn't even get nothing, and I'm like a throat goat, and I didn't get nothing from none of these niggas.